This is lab number 15. Talk about the exponential function f of x equals 4 to the x minus 2. So let's talk about a few general things with exponential functions. The domain of most exponential functions is from negative infinity to positive infinity, which would be the case for this one. The range is dependent upon the function and where it's shifted. This function shifts the f of x equals 4 to the x down 2 units. So the range for this one would be from -2 to infinity. If we look at the graph of this, y equals menu 4 raised to the x and then minus 2, we can see what's going on there. There is a horizontal asymptote at -2. We'll abbreviate that HA. Y equals -2. And then we know that the y-intercept of this, which would be f of 0, 4 to the 0 minus 2, which would be 1 minus 2, which is -1. So f of 0 is equal to -1. So we have a y-intercept at 0, -1. That. And then we could get an x-intercept by setting the equation equal to 0. So 4 to the x minus 2 is equal to 0. We can also look at the graph and see whether it's crossing. It looks like at maybe about 1/2. If we solve this equation, 4 to the x is equal to 2, then think, okay, well, 2 to the 2x is equal to 2. So that's 2 to the first, so that means 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1/2. So that x-intercept for this one would be at 1/2, 0. You see the graph is increasing from left. As we read it from left to right, the graph is increasing as we go forward to the right with all values of x for that problem. So basically look at the graph and you're going to see what's going on with the particular functions and get some information about your exponentials. So that's lab number 15 for Math 110.